everyone, we are back. It is the first week of May. It's actually May 5th. So I'm going to pull my envelopes for this week. We're going to pull 2 numbers and let's see what we get. So we have, oh my gosh, 12. We've been getting some pretty easy numbers lately. All right, we have 12 and 5. That's it. I'm going to pull one more. You guys, I'm going to pull, I want a high number. Give me something good. Let's see. 59. Okay, we'll do 59, 5, and 12. Hey everyone, it is a new week. It is May 11th, and I'm going to draw 2 numbers. Let's see what we get. Ooh, we got a 7. We are getting some easy numbers lately. And, ooh, 79. All right, 7 and 79. Hey everyone, how are you guys? So I did not stuff these envelopes yet. Also, don't mind my nails. They're a hot mess. I did not stuff any of these envelopes for May yet. So we're just going to draw 2 more for this week. And if you can hear my air conditioner, it's because it is 90 degrees here in Philadelphia. So let's pick out some numbers. Hopefully we get some good ones. 14. Okay. And then this one, 75. All right, not bad. 14 and 75. I think we can do that. Hey guys, just really quick, I wanted to insert this randomly in the beginning of the video because I am thinking about moving my budgeting videos to my second channel. I feel like it's kind of throwing off, you know, my main channel, and I know a lot of you guys do enjoy my budgeting videos and my savings challenges, so let me know what you guys think of me just moving all of my budgeting videos to my second channel. I still love doing them. I still want to do them, but I feel like it just really clashes with all of my other content. And yeah, I hope it's okay. It's what I really want to do, and I hope you guys are okay with it. So I will leave my second channel down below. I appreciate you guys. Nonetheless, let's get back to the video. I have just been all over the place when it comes to the savings challenge this month. I was pulling envelopes with you guys throughout the month, but I never stuffed them. So I have all of the numbers here that I'm supposed to stuff that I never stuffed yet. So I have been putting my money aside. If you guys are not familiar, I stuff my savings challenge with this other form of income that I have. I always believe that everybody should have multiple streams of income. So I personally get money every single week from this little gig that I'm doing. So I've been putting that money aside, and that's pretty much what I use to stuff the savings challenge. Let's just organize this first. So we have some 50s, we don't have any hundreds. We have 20s, 10s, tons of 5s and 1s. These are all the numbers that I've been pulling throughout the entire month of May. And for this particular week, this is the last week of May, and I didn't film pulling these numbers out with you guys because whatever I had left over from the money that you see here in front of me, I just pulled the 2 envelopes out that would fit however much I had left over. Does that make sense? I didn't want to, you know, have to go to the bank to pull out like a few dollars if I pulled different numbers. So I purposely pulled 72 and 2 because I had $74 left. So I figured I would just pull the exact envelopes that I needed. So that's kind of what happened this month. And yeah, I believe we're stuffing an extra envelope this month as well. So that's pretty fun. Now, the one thing that I didn't take account for, let me just move my basket here. The one thing I forgot to take account for was the 52-week savings challenge. You guys know every time I do these videos for you guys to update you guys on my numbers, I do the 52-week challenge and I do the 100 envelope challenge. I totally forgot that I had to stuff this as well, so I'm going to be stuffing this off camera. And yeah, I don't have the cash in front of me for this, so today we are just going to focus on the 100 envelope challenge, and that's really what you guys are here for, let's be honest. Also, my nails, I tried something different. I tried a new shape and a new length. So, and obviously new colors. These are all Nail Addict gel colors. I am so obsessed with Nail Addict gel shades. They are so good. They're so opaque, and oh, I love them. So let's just get started. I have my highlighter here, and let's just dive right into it. So we typically stuff all the envelopes first, and then we will highlight them together. Okay, so the first one we have here is 75. So we are going to do 50, 70, and we'll do a 5. Okay. This is awesome. And again, I am so grateful that I do have this extra stream of income, and it's just so easy because I get cash, and it really just, it's awesome. And it's really fun just to be able to stuff these envelopes without going into what's in my bank account. All right, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. I don't know why I have so many ones. Usually I don't get paid in ones. They're usually bigger bills, but here we are. All right. And if you guys are curious, my other form of income is just me freelancing, doing some marketing and PR and website stuff for some local companies. So nothing crazy. It's just like a little side thing that I like to do. I have my bachelor's in marketing, so yeah, that's kind of where my experience is when it comes to like education, like my degree. 79, 50, 70. Let's just do ones. We have to get rid of some ones. Actually, we'll do 75. Oh my gosh. 76, 77, 78, 79. Okay. Awesome. And again, we are stuffing an extra envelope this month. I think I pulled an extra because, I don't know, I just felt like it, and I'm not going to go back on it. $12, 10, 11, 12. Let me know how you guys are doing down below. I would love to know how you guys are doing on the savings challenge. I had a few of my friends start this 100 envelope challenge with me, and pretty much every single friend stopped. I'm the only one that's continuing to do this, probably because I made the challenge for them. Let me know down below. Please comment. I would love to know if you guys are still doing it, if you're still saving up. Also, if you are saving up and doing any savings challenge, what are you saving for? I think I mentioned this already. I'm saving to get LASIK eye surgery. So that's kind of what I'm spending the majority of my $5,000 on. But I would love to know what you guys are spending your money on. Okay, so 59, 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Okay, maybe we really did need those ones. All right. I hope these bills work out. I did not plan this out. So hopefully it just works out. $5 in this envelope. Okay, I'm so congested, you guys. If you can hear my congestion, it's really bad. My allergies are insane. They're crazy. All right, 72. So 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72. Okay. Yes, this worked out perfect. I'm so excited. And then the last envelope is $2, which is exactly what we have. Let's put this here because there's a glare. $2 is the last one, and we have $2 left. So again, I kind of worked this out perfectly just because I didn't want to go to the bank, but I had to probably go to the bank to do the 52-week challenge that I totally forgot about. So anyway, okay, let's do that right there. So we're just going to go through and highlight all of the envelopes that we stuffed for the month of May. Again, I'm super excited. I will leave all the totals and everything at the end of the screen like I usually do. But yeah, let me know what you guys are saving up for. I'm so excited. So $2. Okay. Oh, I don't know how to highlight clearly. $2, 72. Okay. 5. 59. 59's right here. 12. And then, if again, I say this in every video, but if you guys are curious, these trackers are on my website for sale. If you are interested in purchasing a printable, feel free to do that. I would really love and appreciate your support. If not, no big deal. You truly don't need this technically, but I like to keep track. 79. 7. We're doing really well, you guys. I am so excited. 14. I feel like this is filling up pretty fast. There's lots of numbers that are colored in. And the last one, I believe, yep, is 75, which is right here. Perfect. Amazing. All right, you guys, so that is everything for the month of May. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this update. Anyway, I thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, please subscribe, comment, give this video a thumbs up, and I would really appreciate it. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!